You know, sometimes you just need to celebrate a flavor, and today that's what we're doing with gochujang. Gochujang is this spicy, sweet Korean chili paste, which is just fabulous. You can use it in so many different ways. I've used it to make stir fries. I've made some sticky, crispy gochujang cauliflower. I've also added it to caramelized onions, which tastes so amazing. And today we're making a marinade with the gochujang, adding some tofu to it and baking it until it is crisp, chewy, and that is our meat. We're making a slaw and again adding some gochujang to the creamy dressing and finishing it off with a gochujang maple glaze. Let's make my 3 times gochujang tacos. To make our baked tofu, first we're gonna make a marinade. Then we'll crumble up some pressed extra firm tofu into the marinade and toss well to coat. You can marinate this mixture for some time, or you can just proceed to bake it directly. Just before baking, sprinkle some cornstarch on the mixture and toss well to coat. Then spread this on a parchment lined baking sheet. Make sure to spread the tofu out in a single layer, otherwise it will just stick to each other and become big clumps. Then bake it for about 20 minutes. Move it around a little bit so that the tofu on the edges doesn't scorch, and then continue to bake for another 5 minutes or longer until the tofu is chewy crisp. We don't want it to get too crisp because then it will start to get too crunchy and kind of scorched. So bake it to just about chewy crisp. Then we're gonna make our dressing for the slaw. Add most of it to your slaw and toss well and set it aside. You want to reserve about 2 tablespoons of the dressing to dress your tacos later. Whichever tortillas you're using, you want to warm them up however you want, in the microwave or on top of a gas flame. And then assemble your tacos by adding a good amount of the slaw, topping it with some crispy chewy tofu, some of the creamy dressing, some pickled jalapeno. And if you want to go the extra way, mix a tablespoon of gochujang with a tablespoon of maple syrup and a little bit of hot water and use that to dress the tacos as well, and then enjoy. If you don't want that much heat, just skip the glaze and use the creamy dressing to dress your tacos. If you don't want to use tortillas, you can use some lettuce wraps as well, or make a bowl out of the whole situation. If you don't want to use tofu, you can use a different tofu like pumpkin seed tofu or chickpea flour tofu instead. Gochujang usually has soy, so if you want to make it completely soy-free, see my recipe notes to make your own gochujang mixture and omit the soy sauce entirely. And make sure to use a soy-free non-dairy yogurt or non-dairy mayo to make your dressing. There are always more tips and more detailed recipes and answers to your frequently asked questions on the recipe post. Oh my god, so much flavor. If you try these tacos, do let me know in the comments how you like them. Also let me know how you serve these. Did you make tacos? Did you make sandwiches or a bowl? Did you like the gochujang maple glaze on the tacos, or did you skip them? I love hearing what you did with the recipe and how you served it and how you made it your own, so do let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to review the recipe on the website. Those reviews really help. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, fun vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.